small one or a big one? Big one. I'll make the small one because I already started. Big one. Sorry, I'm stuttering. The whole paper? Sorry, I can't do that whole paper. I need something to read on. Can you get me that box over there? That you keep all your cars in? No, not that one. The red one. The red box up there. Up there. Yeah. We're not going to open it. We're not going to open it. Okay? Yes. No, Matthew, we're not going to open it. I'm using it to lead on. No. Matthew, do you want a red Power Ranger? Matthew. I want to open it. Matthew.
Hey.
I just needed to lead on. No. It's full flame. It's full lead. It's Grandma Carol. It's full lead. Go get something for me to lead on. So I can color you red Power Ranger. Dad, got it. Go get that other red box. Yep. Get it. Now get me the pad that you threw on the floor. Look. It's there. Matthew, right there. Oh. No. Matthew, do you want your red Power Ranger? Now, I can make your red Power Ranger.
That's really fun.
Hey, Matthew, come here. Come here over here. Stop throwing your toys. Got me? Hey, stop throwing your toys. Tell me right now. Stop throwing your toys. Got it? What are you gonna do? What? Hey. No, I'm not giving it to you. Listen to me. Stop throwing your toys. Stop throwing your toys. Stop throwing your toys.
Good morning. Oh, I see butt. Do I see your butt?
Where's your butt going?
What do I see here?
It's in the diaper.
Give me a hug. Hi, JP. Hi,
Wow.
Elena. Hi, little
Your
man.
hair's all over the place.
I know. Guess what? I just woke up again. Every Thursday I can't wake up.
You don't have your new car?
I have it. I have it. I'm never getting the other car again. Oh, guess what? Look at this. Where's my glasses?
What?
Guess what?
What?
Guess who got a new car?
What?
Aunt Karen.
You
You want to see it?
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
Can I
She's been
see it?
texting me. Renee's been non-stop texting me, Jack. You gotta tell her you leave me alone.
Who? What happened?
I see it.
Renee?
That's Aunt Karen's new car. Look at it.
I
Look at
didn't see
it.
the video.
All right, I'm coming.
Whoa.
Here it comes. Here it goes, Matt.
Whoa.
Her first car ever.
Really?
New car.
Hyundai?
Yeah. And see ya.
Alright, it's a nice car.
Leo, Kim, and Karen.
She must be smiling.
Oh my God, she's so excited. Loving it? Loving it? This for you, Wayne. Over here on this side. You want to see it again? That's her car. That's her car, Jack.
Yeah, it's a nice car.
Yeah.